Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up 85 Dodge. I'll set the park and brake and we'll see if it works. By God, it does. This has electric fuel pump down right here for it. You can hear what's running. Heater fan works. Gas gauge does not work. There's your oil pressure. Wipers work. Might have a little switch issue. There we go. Horn, you can hear it clicking in the instrument or in the steering column, but it doesn't work. So. Good running old pickup. Been sitting for a while. That noise you hear is the electric fuel pump. But it runs nice and smooth. Still has a slug pump on it. There's your lights. There, quit. I don't know why sometimes that makes that much noise and the next time it don't. I know we drove it and probably has a weak synchro in the number 2 gear because you can't downshift in the second. But pretty good old solid truck that runs and drives good. Watch my other videos, 605-695-7391.